Hello, this is Nuruddin from TitaniumPhysique. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to get started with the members dashboard. From here, you can access all the content in a program. 3-step formula videos, treatment explainer videos, treatment exercise videos, power strength mobility videos, bonus videos, and digital manuals. Let's briefly go through each section. In the 3-step formula videos, I explain how to implement the TitaniumPhysique program to eliminate tendonitis and muscle injuries from weightlifting. Step 1, how to reset chronic inflammation so the body heals faster from injury. Step 2, how to recover faster and reduce post-workout inflammation. Step 3, how to release restricted muscles to quickly relieve pain. To get started with the program, I recommend watching these 3 videos and then download the TitaniumPhysique guide for more information on the 3 steps. Next on the members dashboard is the treatment explainer videos. In these videos, you'll learn the root causes of tendonitis when lifting or during exercise as it relates to neck pain, shoulder pain, elbow pain, forearm and wrist pain, back pain, knee pain, and foot pain. These videos will explain everything you need to know to fix and counteract tendonitis during exercise. Next on the members dashboard is the treatment exercises. These videos will show you simple, easy to follow, and highly effective exercises to release restricted muscles and quickly relieve muscle pain and tendonitis. Next on the members dashboard is the power strength mobility videos. In these videos, I'll show you simple mobility movements to strengthen and stabilize troubled joints. Mobility exercises helps prevent injury, recover from injury, or simply keep everything functional. You'll find videos for the neck, shoulder, elbow, forearm and wrist, upper back, lower back, and knee. Further down on the members dashboard, you'll find the bonus videos included in the TitaniumPhysique program. You'll also find the TitaniumPhysique guide and bonus manuals. In the menu tab, you can access the TitaniumPhysique audiobooks. You can download the mobile app. You'll also find a link to the tools and resources you need, as well as an option to contact us if you need technical support with the members dashboard. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.